Welcome back, you guys. It's Brian with Mendez detailing, you guys. We are here with Julian from Just Clean Details, you guys. So we're actually gonna go ahead and knock out this quick maintenance detail. I just wanted to make sure I posted a YouTube video, so I just said, hey Julian, let me just grab my camera and record our detailing. We're just gonna go ahead and talk a little bit, chop it up, detail this beautiful Mercedes Benz. I'm gonna foam it down, man, because you getting too much airtime, bro.
Huh?
You getting too much airtime.
Go ahead.
You gotta switch me, brother. So we have our nice coffee cup here that our lovely client actually gave us here. So just like it says, we blessed. So I'm gonna take a little sip. Man, now I'm ready to finish up this car. So we're gonna go ahead and follow up with some Technician's Choice spray wax inside my bottle here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a yellow microfiber towel right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just follow behind Julian. He is drying the vehicle, but being that it is black, it's probably still gonna leave some streaks and stuff like that. Not due to his detailing methods or anything like that. It's just how the vehicle is just gonna react, right? So we need to make sure we follow up with a dry or maybe a spray wax, clean it up, make it look nice and shiny. We're gonna touch up the rims and wheels, and then we'll just go ahead and jump on the interior, which will probably take us like 10 minutes to do. We've been here probably, how long we been? Probably like 25 minutes. I'm gonna just say 25 minutes we've been here, kind of just talking to the client and stuff like that, because he has another vehicle he wants us to do. But yeah, so we got to do the door jambs, we have to spray wax the car, and we have to do the wheels and tires before we move on to the interiors. All right, you guys, so we just finished up applying the wax on the exterior. As you guys can see, well, you can kind of see because we're in the shade, but it's looking real nice and shiny. We have all the doors open because Julian did the door jams, and now he's starting with the vacuum. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a Mendez secret sauce, right? So it's probably not, you already probably do this, but I use spray wax for the exterior windows and glass. Now when we wiped it, when we rinsed it down and stuff, Julian was like, damn, like that thing is beating up nice and good. And it's because every time we come here, we always add some type of protection to the glass. Now we already washed it, we dried it, the vehicle was clean, so we're safe to use some spray wax on it with a clean microfiber towel and just simply wipe it down. So a tip that I'm gonna give you guys is buy new towels. If you're gonna do windows, you always need some fresh towels. There's nothing like, I tried everything. I've tried, washing my towels and then reusing them, but it's not gonna look the same. Always buy brand new towels and use those. So we have a yellow towel here. I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my towel right there. And I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe. I'm gonna focus on half. Now, I'm gonna wipe the entire glass, but you guys are gonna see what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire glass. Straight lines this way. But when I follow up, I'm gonna just focus on half at the time to make sure I don't leave any streaks. So I always kind of like think of like me, like if I was buffing. So I always try to go in one direction, right? and then the other, just so I don't miss any spots and everything is nice and clean. So this is what we're doing. We're just applying the spray wax here, which is essentially our window cleaner for this video. I'm gonna put this towel away. Now, Julian, what kind of towel is this? Where did you?
Waffle weave.
Waffle weave. So this is a waffle weave towel Julian let me borrow. He's like, try this out, let me know what you think. So we have it folded into like, it's more than 4. This towel's pretty big. It's a pretty big towel. So we got it folded into 4s. That's 4, 5, 6, 6 or 8. I don't know my math, but we're just gonna go ahead and wipe it down. Now, this is where you wanna wipe, you guys. This is where you wanna wipe, because this is when you're gonna start removing all those like streak and, you know, those ugly marks. Get in between the corners is very important. This client in particular, he's very particular about his glass. So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure we get in the corners real good. And this is why I only focus on half. So I just did this half. Now we're gonna come over here. I'm trying to get this wiper out of our way. There we go. Just wipe down there. And I'm sorry if my hands are ashy. This brick out here. All right, so that's essentially my process for every glass. All right, you guys, so we have the air freshener right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and move this thing and end the video, you guys, but I just want to show y'all, look at this thing, man. This thing is a spaceship inside. It's just crazy, crazy, man. I would love to drive something like this someday, for sure. But until then, we will be in the Ford Transit Connect. So go ahead and park this thing in here, and then we'll end the video there. All right, you guys, so the car is inside the garage now. We're gonna leave this one out here because it's pretty tight in there to fit both cars. We'll leave that for the client. But yeah, without further ado, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys check out Julian from Just Cleans, and check out Mendez from Mendez Mode Detailing. And thank you guys again for watching this video here. Shout out to Julian for coming out to help me. I also helped him out this morning, but we didn't get to record that. Next time we got to record the entire day, man. Yeah. Kind of like assisting another detailer or something like that. I'm pretty sure people gonna be like, dang, how does he help you? Or, you know, do y'all run 2 vans? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, peace out, you guys. If you want to see a video like that, make sure you comment down below so we have an idea that you want to see it. Hustle never settle. Keep moving forward. Keep following your dreams. Never give up. And peace out, you guys. Let's get it.
Let me know if you can